So that first chord is a C minor, and it happens right on top of when he sings oh, like oh. So the chord he plays right before that is a C. So you're playing the C like this. Oh. Oh. And then you have E minor, C minor, G, da, da, and then you do it again. Ba, ba, and then you start the finger style stuff, which is E minor, C, G, E minor, C, G. The strings that you're picking are E, G, B, G, A, D, G, D, E, G, B, G. And actually you do that one twice. E, G, B, G. And then you have E, G, B, G on the E minor again, and then A, D, G, D on the C, and then you're strumming a G chord. So altogether that sounds like this.